Hi, welcome back to Tech Talk. I'm Jen Bell, your technology advisor, and I am here today to talk to you about security awareness training. Phishing emails have continued to evolve over time, and it is becoming increasingly difficult for your employees to be able to identify when something isn't right. As advanced as email security products are, they do not stop all phishing attacks, and it is important to take a layered approach to this very important issue. Employees need to be able to identify a variety of different attacks at a glance before taking an action that negatively impacts your organization or causes an IT security issue. Fortunately, there are some great ways we are able to help get your employees trained in a way that they will be able to identify these threats quickly. Please reach out to me today if you would like to learn more. Until next time.